During the kickoff meeting of the TPS practitioner training session, Toyoda-san explained what is his vision or interpretation, I will say, of the technical basic skill. First, go on the shop floor and study the process. It's a very basic principle, but all the management of Toyota should go on the shop floor and study the process. And also do the process by himself or consider you are the operator of the process. You should see the penability of the process, the risk of the process in terms of safety, in terms of quality. Firstly, we address penability, safety, quality, and productivity. It's a consequence of all the observation and all the improvement we have done by reducing the penability, by reducing the safety risk, by reducing the quality risk, by reducing all the transportation activities or some, again, non-added value, some deviation, all the abnormality we can observe when we are on the shop floor and when we putting ourselves in the place of the operator. What Akio Toyoda said, it's a very important approach, but what we have to work, it's mainly on the lead time reduction. Reduce the lead time on our process to be able to deliver quicker our final customer. He took example of the sushi restaurant. When you are order, I would say, a set of sushi, all the sushi are not ready. You have all the raw material to be able to make the sushi order as quicker as possible. The same principle we apply in the automotive industry. How we are able, by our organization, to produce one vehicle as quicker as possible.